This is an empty box. There is nothing inside it, not even air. Let me give you a simple analogy. Imagine that this bowl is that empty box and that the water inside it is the empty space. Just like the ripples on the water, actual empty space is not empty. Let me explain. The grey fluid represents the constantly changing energy levels in empty space, which in turn causes the existence of virtual particles represented as black orbs. You may be wondering what virtual particles are and why do they exist. But before I give you the answers, you need to refresh on certain topics and vocabulary. Vacuum. When I say vacuum, I don't mean this. I mean a closed space with no matter at all, not even atoms, like this one. The cylindrical structure in the image is the world's largest vacuum chamber at NASA's Glenn Research Center. What are charges? Charges can be compared to the north and south poles of a bar magnet, but they are not quite the same. Instead, charges exist as positive or negative, and these opposite charges attract each other just like the opposite poles of a magnet. Now, back to the question, what are virtual particles? Virtual particles are particles that always come in pairs of particles and antiparticles. The only difference between a particle and its antiparticle is the opposite charge, and when they collide, the mass is converted to energy in the form of light. Here, the white orbs represent the particle and the black orbs represent the antiparticle. Lastly, this equation is the reason for the vacuum energy fluctuations that causes the existence of virtual particles. It simply states that the uncertainty of the energy level increases the more precisely you know the time. Therefore, even a vacuum can have some energy in any instant.